my name's Gabby. I'm an educator with Team KUPA, and I'm here today to show you how to do a proper application with our soft gel tips. I'm going to be showing you proper prep, proper application, and just getting you that perfect finish for when you guys bring in your clients and you offer them this amazing new service. So come along and follow us for more. So I'd like to go in with our NAILPRO cuticle pusher. We're just going to gently push her cuticle. I'm going to take our under the nail cleaner. It's a little abrasive, so make sure that you are not using it at a too high of an RPM. I'm going to be taking her from the cuticle and just softly removing any debris. All of this cuticle on her nail plate, if not removed, will cause lifting later on. Once that is done, I like to go in with the Easy Off mandrel bit. This is a sanding band in the abrasiveness of medium. Once our nails are prepped, we can go in and choose the size of the nail using the 12 different tips that are included in the box, making sure it is nice and snug on the nail plate. If you need to modify it, you could always go in with one of our files and shape it to your liking. Once she's done being prepped, we are going to apply the pH balance. After applying the pH balance, we're going to apply our primer. So once she's prepped and primed, we're going to add a small amount of the EnrichRx adhesive to the edge of the nail, making sure not to overbear it, making sure there's no bubbles, it's nice and even, and pressing firmly at the cuticle area, we're going to bring down that soft gel tip, making sure it covers the entire nail plate. We're going to flash cure each nail individually underneath our Starlight lamp for 30 seconds. Once that's done, we're going to take all of our nails and put them inside of our NAILPRO Glow for 60 seconds and finish the curing. If at any point while applying our soft gel tips you have too much adhesive underneath the nail plate, you could always go in with one of our cleanup brushes. This one's my favorite, it's the Divinity French brush. This is important because if you have too much adhesive underneath the nail, it's not going to adhere properly. So now that all of our nails have been flash cured 30 seconds, we're going to take the entire hand and stick it inside of our NAILPRO Glow for 60 seconds. This is going to secure the nail safely on the nail plate, and it's going to make sure they last a really long time. So when she's out of the lamp and we've cured for 60 seconds, we could do one of two things. We could leave the beautiful shape that they already have, or we can go ahead and cut them down. In this case, we're going to keep the almond leto medium shape. Our files in the 100/180 grit, and just make sure that we flush the natural nail to the soft gel tip. One of the most important parts, in my opinion, is the sealing of the cuticle once we applied our soft gel tips. Now this is going to make sure that the adhesion is perfect, it's flush to the nail plate, and it's going to make sure it goes longer in between sets. Just make sure that we flush the natural nail to the soft gel tip. So there you have it. That is the application for our soft gel tips. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more products, make sure you go onto our KUPA website or download our app. We are on all social media, KUPA Inc. And if you guys want to see more of this, leave us a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next. I'll see you guys soon.